We're in an amazing park. The fact that we have the combination of thrill rides, family areas, entertainment shows, mixed in with land animals and marine mammals makes us unique. There's no other place like it in the world where you can get all of this in one single day at one single park.
You do have kids coming in from all over the world, and for them to be able to go out and look and see, wow, these solar panels are here, to spark that curiosity, to have them sitting on the roller coaster and looking down and saying, wait a minute, this roller coaster is being powered by the sun?
And that'll give mom and dads the opportunity to explain to their children what solar is, how important it is, and how impactful it is, and how amazing it is that actually solar energy is being utilized to power an amusement park.
I just have an attachment to Six Flags. I actually grew up in Southern California, going to the Magic Mountain Park every summer. So it was really exciting to be able to do this project with Six Flags.
Borrego Solar, sPower, combined with Six Flags, all within an initiative to come together to generate solar power to operate an amusement park.
I've been in the solar industry for 17 years, and when I started in this industry, the entire US solar market was smaller than this Discovery Kingdom project. And so to go out and do a project of this scale with this kind of visibility, it's just been a really amazing journey to get here.
This project at Discovery Kingdom is one of the most visible projects out there.
We've provided a beautiful carport for our guests to park under, as well as a very visual component to help spread the message of just solar in general to all guests coming to the park, and quite honestly, all passerbys. And this major solar carport that our guests will be exposed to upon entry into the park will do nothing other than attract the imagination of the kids, where kids are going to say, hey mom, hey dad, what is this?
The educational value that this project brings, I think the more that we can put that, the more exposure we can give to the future generations, it's just going to create a better place for all of us.
And it's also just a great demonstration. Everybody sees them, they're really high visibility, and so I think it really highlights your commitment to renewable energy.
Working with companies such as sPower and Borrego made our lives easier because their dedication to safety is equal to that of our own.
We knew that they would take into account all the different logistics on site from the experience that we had to ensure that the customer experience didn't change for the park visitors as they were coming into the place.
We've created this collaboration of excellence, and this collaboration of excellence can be rolled out to other Six Flags properties.
One of the great things that this Six Flags project demonstrates is the ability of corporate customers with these large parking lots to get an additional use out of these, right? This is a big piece of asphalt, and now Six Flags has turned it into a renewable energy power plant. And I think there are many companies across the state and across the country who can do something similar.
Six Flags is actually saving money by doing the right thing.
We are now drawing about 80% of our total consumption from the solar project, and that's from the sun.
Since this project will generate almost 11.5 million kilowatt hours. What does that mean? In the first year, that's the equivalent of taking 1,700 vehicles off of the road.
The institutional pride that we all have every morning when we drive in and we see this carport, it has created really an internal camaraderie and an internal enthusiasm for Six Flags, not only here at the park, but throughout our entire corporation.
sPower is committed to creating a sustainable future, and I want to thank Borrego Solar and Six Flags for their collaboration in building this project with us.
So I'm very proud of our team. They were able to execute this large 7.5 megawatt project in this parking lot with a lot of traffic and be able to do it in a very tight timeline without at all compromising quality or safety.
We talk about solar energy, we'll just talk about human energy, and the human energy that's created at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom is second to none, based on the vibe and the electricity and the atmosphere of our rides and our shows and our attractions and our animals and the enthusiasm of our team members. It makes it the perfect place.